Well, welcome back, everyone. It was another great day in markets today. Got to do some live trading in front of active trader room members today. And I'm going to share with you a little snippet of doing just that in front of active trader room members and wealth charters a little earlier this afternoon. Now, what you're looking at is the triple S indicator and me trading the ES. I came into the room with some profits from earlier in the day doing one contract trading. I just took a long on as the triple S indicator on a 1-minute chart and a 5-minute chart triggered along. And that was a very quick trade, as you can see, and got me over that $500 threshold, grossing for the day with about one contract only, $500 and about $62.50. Now, the intricacies of the multi-time frame layout that you're seeing here, it's actually really straightforward, allowing me to take a trade live right in front of folks and make that decision very confidently as the probabilities were quite high. Now, I'm going to show you exactly how I did that and how I used the strategies that you see overlaid on price right now to actually take a live trade with real live money in my live money account. And of course, use that exact same set of strategies and tools to get you looking at great and interesting opportunities. Now, when you think about a toolkit that's straightforward, you want to know when, how long, and at what point exactly a trade can be triggered. This could be from a day trading standpoint, swing trading standpoint, and of course, everything in between. That's going to be my pleasure to provide you with a lot of education and a class that really dives deeply into the key areas that I find many students come to us with issues. It's understanding when to stay in the trade rather than go away, i.e. not taking profits too early, when to get that optimal entry, and where should we be looking for that optimal exit. Now, tomorrow, Wednesday, May the 15th, join me for a very special class that is not going to be recorded, and it's going to be filled with examples, market assessment, and of course, this is all after the CPI data comes out tomorrow morning, making for some interesting trading overall. Join me by getting to www.becomeabettertrader.com/yes and get your stay in May and play kickstarted for 2024 the right way with us over at becomeabettertrader.com. Now, again, all trading is at the independent trader's risk. You did see me bring up live real money trades that I took in market today with my live account. Past performance is no guarantee of future results. However, I want to make sure you know when I stick with the rules and I use my powerful tools and strategies, things can and tend to get better and do better on a more regular basis. I'm super excited about sharing my knowledge with you. I think it's a critical time in markets for folks to be able to make fewer, better, purposeful, and strategic decisions. And it's going to be my pleasure to be there for you on that journey. And of course, in that class tomorrow, Wednesday, May the 15th, starting at 12 p.m. Eastern time. So make sure you get your seat ASAP so that you're all ready and locked and loaded to get in that class. And off we go. Have a wonderful rest of your day. Big shout out from the entire BBT team, Wealth Charts team. Hope folks are having a great, merry month of May and looking forward to sharing more knowledge and insight with you in videos just like these. See you tomorrow at the class. Have a great rest of your day, folks. Bye for now.